So, Dogecoin fell by about 9.5% today, and we have to keep in mind that there were a lot of reasons behind it. In this video, I'll take a look at some of them. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. So, first of all, Forbes came out with an article that said that Dogecoin crashed when Matt Wallace shifted his focus on another coin. I'm not sure if that's totally accurate though. I think there are other reasons behind the crash, which include this news from China. So basically, China ordered a Beijing software maker to shut down its operations yesterday. This article says that they did it on the company's suspected involvement with crypto trading. I think this reminded everyone that China is going to continue to crack down on crypto. But China isn't the only country that's concerned over crypto. There are at least 4 other countries that are equally concerned, which I think are creating some fear in the market. Let's start with the US. So, Senator Elizabeth Warren confronted the SEC chair over the lack of cryptocurrency protection. It says that she issued a warning to the chairman of the SEC, and her statement said that these regulatory gaps endanger consumers and investors and undermine the safety of our financial markets. The SEC must use its full authority to address these risks, and Congress must also step up to close these regulatory gaps. So, as I said, this comment by a popular United States senator has created some concern in the market. Before I talk about other countries who are just as concerned, let's take a look at why they're so concerned in the first place. So there was this news about how Israel is seizing crypto like Dogecoin from a terrorist organization called Hamas. It says that this organization has received at least $7.7 million in crypto donations. And another news talked about Brazil's Banco Group and how its leader had embezzled $300 million in crypto. And yet another news talked about how a man used Bitcoin to free ISIS militants from prison. So, I hope you get the idea. Another article came out from the Wall Street Journal that talked about the exact same thing. Basically, there's news coming out every day about how cryptocurrencies are used to conduct fraud, and this is why the governments are concerned. Now, let's take a look at other countries who are concerned about crypto right now. So, there's Russia that's currently drafting a law on the confiscation of crypto assets. Basically, it'll help them put a tighter grip on the money used for money laundering. And another bill is being introduced in New York. So this one is going to make it compulsory for public officials to disclose crypto holdings over $1,000. And then there's the European Union, which is proposing a new agency and new rules for crypto asset transfers. It says here that they're doing this to fight money laundering via crypto. Now, let's come back to why the crypto market is crashing. So, considering all this news, it's safe to assume that the governments are concerned about the rising cases of fraud with crypto. They're trying to come out with new laws to regulate crypto. And because of these crimes and the new proposed regulations, the investors are a little scared right now. But then, there are still some countries that want to double down on crypto, and I think that is the kind of news that gets lost in the middle of all the bad news. So, the Argentine lawmaker is coming out with a bill that'll enable workers to receive salaries in crypto. About this bill, he said that, I presented a bill so that independent workers have the option of receiving their full or partial salary in cryptocurrencies. The idea is that they can strengthen their autonomy and conserve the purchasing power of their remuneration. So, I think it's pretty incredible that the government officials see cryptocurrencies as a means to provide their workers with more freedom and autonomy. Also, coming back to the retail investors, I think we'll see them re-enter market very soon as the fear dissipates. This price prediction says that the Bitcoin sell-off could stabilize around 30,000 support level. It says that the buyers will wait to return near this support level, which is the lowest of the month-long trading range. But then there's another price prediction that says that Bitcoin is going to fall to $25,000 before major investors really buy back. This one comes from the CEO of Amber Group, which is a billion-dollar crypto lender. He said that, if we really have a flush down to $25,000, I think there's tremendous interest waiting to buy very cheaply at those levels for long-term entry. So, as you can see, there are multiple price predictions coming for Bitcoin. We can't really predict if we'll bounce back from the 30K level or the 25K level, so we'll just have to wait to see how it plays out. Now, another famous analyst said something really nasty about Dogecoin. So Rick Edelman, the executive chairman of Edelman Financial Engine, said that Dogecoin is nothing more than a joke. So this is exactly what he said. I would completely ignore Dogecoin. That is nothing more than a joke. It's a scam, and it's going to be something that ends very badly. Now, I think I have to disagree with him. There's simply a lot going on with Dogecoin right now. There's the transaction fee update, the Doge 1 mission, and a lot of other partnerships and updates that come out literally every single day. So, I think Dogecoin is much more than just a joke, and this is why I think every investor should do proper research before buying or selling their cryptocurrencies. Now, a really great news came out from Visa. So, Visa just reported that its crypto-enabled cards processed over $1 billion in transactions. And right now, it's partnering with more than 70 crypto companies, which will help us spend our favorite cryptocurrencies at over 70 million shops worldwide. About this partnership, Visa's head of crypto said that the merchants don't have to change anything. It will be the same as any other Visa transaction to them. But on the back end, the crypto assets are instantly converted into fiat. So, I think this is pretty exciting because a lot of people are already choosing to spend cryptocurrencies to buy things. And when mass adoption is actually realized, we'll see billions of dollars come into the crypto market. Now, coming back to price predictions, a lot of investors think that the unlocking of the Bitcoin Grayscale Fund is going to lead to huge outflows. But this analysis suggests that it's not going to have any impact on Bitcoin's price. Before I talk about it, it's important to remember that Bitcoin is the market leader right now. And its price has a massive impact on Dogecoin's price too, as we noticed earlier today. So take a look at this. July 18th is the largest unlocking date for the trust. It says that around 16,000 Bitcoin will become available, which will amount to $530 million. But the crypto trading capital predicts that it's nothing to worry about. Basically, they said that, to state clearly, we don't expect these unlocks on their own to have significant impact on the overall market outside of GBTC itself. Most of the large institutional positions who had subscribed in kind before have already been unlocked earlier, and they have held off selling at the current discounted price. So, basically, we won't see a huge impact on Bitcoin's price when the unlocking happens, and it's a good thing for Dogecoin because it'll help reduce a lot of fear that's in the market right now. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.